Hi, today for the HUAWEI NOVA 11 I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpapers on this device. So we should first open the settings application and then tap to the home screen and wallpaper. Then just tap here to wallpapers, tap to OK. So we could use wallpapers from the Thumbs application, so let's just open it. But to use it, you be sure that you are connected to the internet or mobile data. So open this application. Here you could use the wallpapers, the online wallpapers. If you want, you could get the free wallpapers from here. Also, just if you want to use the default wallpapers on your device, switch feature to Me, tap the wallpaper section, and here you will see all of your just wallpapers from your device, just gallery, default gallery wallpapers. So just we could tap to preview, tap to apply and select lock screen. Just wait a second after that, and now let's just check. And we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we could make it by another way. Just first you should pinch, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper section, and by the same way you will find here all of the default wallpapers, gallery, your device gallery, previously downloaded photo on your device gallery, or camera, or downloaded from the internet photos. Also, you could use your default wallpapers or tap to more wallpapers to get the online wallpapers, so to download them. So let's just select one from these wallpapers. I just want to use this one. You could here change the position of the wallpaper on the lock screen, tap to apply, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.